Welcome to the Asian Mai Show. Hey, that's me. My name's Alex. That's Jenna. And oh, that's Buppy. Now, I'm a truck driver. Jenna's a beautiful stylist. Follow us on our journey as we travel, build connections, and act silly. Welcome to the show. Ain't nothing like a hot girl in a hot car. That's what I like. I have no clue what she's doing. The wallet was getting messed up, so I had to buy a new wallet. I just want to show you guys real quick. What? What do you think? Is that my personality? Old school gaming? Some people would say it's kiddish, but I like it. I like it a lot. Looks good, huh, babe? Velvet cream. That looks great. How you doing? I do like donuts. So tell me about velvet cream. Is it the best in the world? It is? I'm gonna have to eat some food first and I'm gonna come back and get some. No, thank you. Pleasure. 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 How you doing, sir? So, is Monster Burger the best burgers in the world?
It must be. We've been on for 6 years.
6 years?
We're doing something right.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, definitely, definitely. So if everybody goes to Monster Burger, what's the burger to get?
Monster Burger, it has just about a little bit about everything.
Uh-huh. Nice, nice, nice. We're walking around. I'm probably going to have to get a burger, to tell you the truth. I'll be honest. I'm a burger guy.
Oh, are you? Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
We also offer, if you get it and you don't like it, we'll give you your money back.
No way. No way.
That's how we know that we can offer you this burger that we know you're going to enjoy.
So if you...
I'm confused now. Is it good?
This looks good. Yeah, there's a great opportunity. You're probably going to be on YouTube or something like that. So tell me, I'm Asian. I like Asian food.
Would you like to try a sample?
Oh, really? Oh, I'll take a sample.
What's in your egg roll?
Look at this guy, and look at this. This guy probably has 1 million followers. I'll take that. Babe, try it. Is that the smooth Q? Is that one? Yeah. That's dope. That's dope. Is it good? Are you just saying that? Let me see.
No, the outside. Want Monster Burger for sure?
You don't have to. I'll get one Monster. Taiwan Ice. And look, there's Taiwanese people in there. That's good. That means that it's going to be real. It's the real deal. Uh-oh. We're gonna get a Monster Burger. What do we get?
Monster Burger.
Monster Burger? Wow.
Can I lick it?
Do it, do it.
So, it looks like they have... Ah!
Hey, how you doing? So which one is the best one to get?
Everything is the best, man.
Hey, I like that. I like that you say that. Shrimp taco.
That's one of my top sellers right here. Look at this.
Woo!
Some people with a wild festival.
Getting award-winning shrimp tacos. Let's try it out. Try it out, honey. Dope ass ball. Good?
I haven't had a shop in a long time.
This is good? Hell yeah. She likes it. We are at Churro Mania. They probably have the best churros in the world. I'm sure of it. I have to try it. Hi, how are you doing? Which one is your best churro? Which one's the best? Millions of people are watching you. I'm not joking. Are the small ones? Are this? Okay, let me get one of those. Huh? What topping are there? Which one's the best one you think to try? Yeah, let me try it. Why not if you're saying it's the best? All right, thank you. Try the churro. Churro. Yay. Some sort of caramel lychee or something. Yeah.
Oh, this got chocolate. Just like candy. It's chocolate. It's always banana. That's different. Right?
Try. Just try.
They're hot. They're hot.
No good?
They're hot. Hurt my tongue. They're good though.
And cut.
Mira loca.
So did you have a fun day today?
I had one churro and it's like hyping me up. Ricky Martin.
Yeah. Let's get out of here.
You don't want anything else?
I think I'm done.
Oh,
I am done.